Yo, yo, yo. Okay. What you've done now, you have downloaded your video file, the MP4 file of the assigned video clip that you're supposed to animate for this project. You've opened up that video file with easygif.com. You've converted your video from a video into JPEG files. So you should have on your computer downloaded a folder, or actually a file that is a zip file. It should say something like easygif.zip. What a zip file is a file that is compressed, and inside of it is a bunch of other files. So what you're going to do is you're going to, first of all, you need to make a new folder, because this zip file is going to contain about 200 photos once you open it up. And that's a lot of photos. You don't want to have them all over the place. So you can make a new folder by hovering over your subfolder, music video, click down Alt, click on that name, and then say new folder. Okay, this is going to be your photo files for this project. Okay, so you got to stay organized. Part of making media is getting really organized. It's half the battle. Okay, so right now I have my music video folder. Underneath it, subfolder is photo files, and I'm going to now unzip this uh, zip file. So what you're going to do, just double click. There it goes. Look at that. 173 photos for my section of the video. So to move these files into your photo folder, you're going to just click on Control A, and that selects everything. And then just drag them into your photo file. Like that. Okay? So in your music video file, you have your zip file, the original MP4 that you downloaded, and all your photo files. The photo files are what you're going to import into Wick Editor to start your rotoscope animation, which is the next step. Wahoo!